I thought this was a stranded bird. It's just a really big butterfly. Like super. Super butterfly. It's huge. It's bird sized. Look at that. It's a giant. Amazing. Look at that big ass butterfly. There you go. Do what you gotta do. I thought there's a baby bird stranded on the ground over here. This thing's huge. Gotta have a wingspan of like 8 inches. Close. 7, 8 inches. Easy. It's pretty cool. I mean, if it lets me. Here's my hand and my vape. Look at that. That's a big ass butterfly. Moth, butterfly, I don't know. Like I said, I thought that damn thing was a bird. This is a dual 21700 mod. It's good size. I mean, I can't even wrap my hand around it. I don't want to touch it because, you know, sometimes butterflies don't like that. There you go. What you doing? Are you stuck? Are you laying baby eggs? I don't know what you're doing. That's a big one, though. Wish that stupid baby bunny would let me get this close. Stupid baby bunny. I get real close, like 4 feet. That's about it. It's cool. Look at the antenna. That is crazy. That is crazy. All right, y'all.